morning. Today is Wednesday and we are going to do a short walk, the Franklin Golden River Nature Walk. It's just a short one to stretch our leg. We woke up early this morning and we had breakfast. It's quite cold in the area that we are staying, but the weather is slowly getting warmer and now we're just doing the walk. The more practice, the better. We're gonna do another short walk, the Franklin River 15-minute walk. It's actually it is a beautiful day today. So far the weather is looking good. It's a bit overcast, but I think overcast is perfect for bushwalking. There's no wind and the weather is actually warm. It's not hot and there's not too much fly, so I think today is a perfect day to do any bushwalking. We're just gonna do a lot of short bushwalking today. Still debating whether we're gonna leave this area to camp at another area or we're gonna stay one more night at the Darwin Bridge Hotel that we stayed last night. Is a free camping area. Justin said it depends on how he feels today. If he's too tired, then we will stay for the night. If not, then we will just go straight to Strahan. walk up to the suspension bridge and then we just cross over and then we come back because it's just a short 15 walk. If we continue walking, that will be 3 to 5 day drag, which we not doing. The girls are actually having fun walking on the suspension bridge. They enjoying it and they do it by themselves without feeling scared. It was a short, nice and easy walk to Nelson Fall. The waterfall was so beautiful. The rock would cover it with green moss and then the waterfall streaming down. It just looks so magical. Now we are walking back to the car and decided whether we're gonna drive to Strahan or we're gonna stay in Darwin Bridge for the night. Yesterday we arrived at Darwin Bridge Wilderness Hotel. It's a free accommodation. There's no donation, but if you like you can donate by having a meal or a drink at the hotel. The reason we stay here so that we can check out Lake Sinclair and the Palm House Point and do some short walk today at Flinders Golden Wild River National Park. We don't find any other reason to stay here for the night. While we still have time left, we're just gonna drive to Strahan. There's a dump point opposite to the Darwin Bridge Wilderness Hotel, so we're just gonna stop here to dump our grey water and then continue on. It's currently sprinkling rain at the moment. This side they also have toilet and bins, so we chuck our rubbish as well. And then just ahead there is electronic car charger. How cool is that? side of the street of Queenstown, so Justin can buy tomato sauce, pancake mix because we're running out, and he's planning to eat steak and sausages tonight, so he needs his tomato sauce. And guess what? We just parked right in front of Broken Halo Coffee Kitchen, and they have my favorite cake or tart, pecan tart. Can't wait to try it tonight. So far so good. Yep, keep going down. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Keep going. Slowly, slowly. Yep. Going good. Good. Slowly. Yep. Yep. Good. Yep. Keep going. You made it. It's good.
I'm over it?
Yeah, not hitting anything. Yep. Slowly. Slowly. Try to stick more to your right hand side. Just slowly. The caravan is slowly going down that steep hill. Slowly. 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 My heart skip a bit, baby. Keep going. Yep, you're fine. Yep, keep going. Keep going. Yep, you're doing good. Keep going. You're doing good. You're doing good. Yes, you made it. Butt to the left hand side. Maybe going further again and then reverse back. Try to stick your butt more to the left hand side. When you reverse back, butt to the left hand side.
Can I go forward and down there?
Yes, you can. It's just a little bit of the hill, downhill, that's all. Yes, you can. But I think you should reverse your butt.
Because remember, when I reverse, it takes me a while to reverse. So I have to move forward.
going forward, the caravan is fine. Just try to stick more this way. Yep. Yes, good. Yeah, keep going. You're fine at the front. Okay, now just hold on for me. Yep, looking good so far. Okay, slow down for me, slow down. Go further again, and then reverse, but more to the left hand side. Your right hand side corner is too tight right now. Okay, try to reverse more to the left, to your left hand side. Yep. Yep, keep going. Okay, slow down, now stop. I think you need to go further a bit more. Can't do it like this. Just a bit more.
You let go of the button again, repeat.
Okay, need you to go further a bit more and then reverse. It's too tight. Like a lot further. Maybe a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more further. A little bit more if you can.
Which so I can turn? I need room for the car to turn right.
I need you to turn. Well, when you reverse back, your butt need to be stick a lot to the left hand side.
But I need room for the car to turn, which I don't have any because of this tree next to me.
I don't know, in front of you.
I have to reverse and just go back and forward a bit.
Well, when you reverse back, try to stick to the left a little bit more. But yeah, if you, it's keep reversing. Yep, just slowly. Not too, okay. Just make sure you don't crack the caravan. Okay, good. Yeah, keep going. The back is fine. The back is fine. Keep going. You still have good space from the back. Yep. Just slowly, slowly. You can do a little bit more of reversing, like a meter more.
Self up a bit.
Okay. Try to stick the butt to the right hand side as you reverse. There's good amount of space from behind you, so just keep going. But yeah, do it slowly. You still have like 2 meters. Yep. 1.5 meters. 1 meter. Half meter. A bit more. Maybe another half meter until you're comfortable. More. You can go in a lot more, like another meter. Another half meter, then you're good. You can go in a bit more. Yep, just keep going a bit more. Yeah, keep going. Just a bush. The back can hit the tree. Yeah, that's fine.
Hey, we got reception here too.
Oh my God, we just managed to drive our caravan into this space. and managed to park our caravan. I don't know how we did that, but we did it anyway. My heart is racing like high intense exercise. I'm still really nervous, but well, we just gotta do it. Some experience today. Okay, stop. Yes, okay.
Capital R, lowercase.
Not your legs. Those are my legs. Hey, you never got my body.